Do you want to know how to get your credit back on track? Of course you do. A train ticket is all you need. Choose your ticket from our selection of affordable credit development packages. If you need any help selecting your ticket, this brief overview is here to help. As part of our Coach Ticket Package, which starts at $385, we cater to clients who are experiencing financial hardships. People making more than $25,000 per year are not eligible for the Coach Package. However, we have another ticket that is ideal for people who have charge-offs, medical bills, and fewer than 25 inquiries each. The first class package is only $485. Our World Class package or Presidential package is recommended if you have bankruptcies, repossessions, evictions, multiple apartments, or inquiries that exceed 25 per bureau. All packages include our credit building guide, which can increase your credit score by over 100 points. Our World Class package and Presidential package includes our credit building guide and credit building video, as well as unlimited inquiry removal and advanced credit dispute tactics. You've probably wondered what's so great about this Presidential package. We're glad you asked. With our Presidential package, we provide 2 free trade lines with over 20,000 limits that remain on your credit for up to 60 to 90 days. After you select your tickets, you will be taken to our enrollment page where you will need to fill out an enrollment form, sign the credit development contract, and make your investment for your credit ticket. We immediately jump right into getting our hands dirty and fighting for you against the credit bureaus to challenge those nasty negative items from your credit report. We also begin coaching you on credit development. Throughout your credit development process, you will receive coaching and updates. You will be able to schedule one-on-one case reviews and credit building coachings at your convenience. Keep an eye out for our email instructions and take action as required. We will be there to guide you every step of the way and keep you informed of your progress. Communication will be seamless as this is a partnership, and our credit goals are your credit goals. With good credit, the possibilities are endless, and we want to make that a reality for you. Choose your ticket below and let's get started. We can't wait to welcome you aboard the Back on Track family.